Hello bachcho, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about Roman numerals. So let's start with that. The 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 that we are familiar with are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. The Hindu-Arabic system uses these 10 digits to form all other numerals. These numerals are also called international numerals beta. There is another system of numerations called Roman system of numeration. There are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman numerals. Okay, these symbols with their corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals are given in the table. So here it is a table. In that Roman numerals are given there and this is a Hindu-Arabic numerals. Like this is a 1, ये V को हम 5 कहते हैं, X means 10 and L means 50 and so on. Hope you understood well. There is a no symbol for 0 in the Roman system. This system is also not a place value system beta. Using the above 7 symbols, we may form Roman numerals for all numbers by adopting certain rules. So, however, in this chapter we shall discuss the rules for uses of first 3 symbols means I, V and X and form numbers up to 39. So, let's start with rule number 1 beta. Here it is given repetitions of Roman numerals means additions. So, like I और I, if ये आता है 2 बारी, that means ये क्या हो गया हमारा 1 plus 1, 2. And this is I 3 times. If it is repeating, that this means 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means it's a 3. And X or X, that means 10 plus 10, 20. And this is X. If it is repeating in a 3 times, that means it's a 30. Okay. So, I and X can be repeated at the most 3 times. V is never repeated beta. Hope you understood this. So, now rule number 2. When a symbol representing a smaller or the same number is placed on the right of another symbol, its value is added to the value of that symbol. Let's see the example. Here it is given VI, that means V हमारा 5 है and I means 1. So it becomes 60. In that case we just add both the value. Okay, क्योंकि हमारे V के बाद जो हमारा right side पे वो हमारा smaller number आ रहा है. Similarly, X or I, that means 11, then this is 15 and this is VII, that means 5 के बाद हमारा 1, it's become 8 and this is 12 and this is 18 beta. Hope you understood this rule very nicely. So now move on, rule number 3. When a symbol representing a smaller number is placed to the left of another symbol, its value is subtracted from the value of that symbol. Example, V से पहले हमारा बड़े से हमारे लेफ्ट साइड में स्मॉलर नंबर आ रहा है. इन दैट केस वी हैव टू जस्ट सब्सट्रैक्ट दैट नंबर. सो दैट 5 minus 1, yes 4. सिमिलरली X से पहले हमारा स्मॉलर नंबर है, दैट मीन्स 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 बेटा. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. सो नाउ नोट, the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol V is never subtracted. VXX is meaningless because V is not written on the left side of X beta. Hope you understood all points nicely. So now move on next. This is rule number 4. For numbers beyond 10, we first write the number in a groups of tens and ones and then form the Roman numeral corresponding to the given number. Here it is given 11. So how to write it 11? 10 plus 1 makes number 11 and in Roman we just write it 11 like that. X and I. This is 13. So 10 plus 3, 13. That means X and I 3 times 13. Now this is 15. This is हमारा क्या बन गया 29. Okay. Hope you understood. Similarly beta, all these are. You just read and practice for that rule number 4 also. Now see the rule number 5. The letter I, X and C can be repeated up to 3 times only. ये जो नंबर है हमारे 3 times repeated हो सकते हैं. The letter V and L are never subtracted more than once. Hope you understood. Now rule number 7, the letter V, L and D cannot be repeated. Okay beta, so you just read all the rules nicely and practice for that. Okay, so now just see the next topic. This is a Roman numerals up to 50. The following table shows the Roman numerals from 1 to 50. That means this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12 till 50 beta. So this is how we just write the counting in a Roman numerals. So just learn and practice this Roman numerals nicely. Now move on. Next topic, this is defects of the Roman system of numerations. So let's see. The Roman used only 7 symbols. These symbols are not sufficient with large numbers. We have to use many symbols even to write small numbers. For example, 8 is written as, yes, VII. Okay, so 4 symbols, 38 written like that. 7 symbols. Hope you understood. So now move on beta. Texting time 1.1. राइट द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग रोमन न्यूमरल्स. अब इनके हमने क्या करना है, रोमन्स न्यूमरल्स लिखने हैं. सो हेयर इट इज गिवन 9. सो हाउ टू राइट इट इन अ रोमन न्यूमरल्स 9? यस, Y, I and X. दिस इज कॉल्ड 9. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट 13. सो 13 के लिए हम बनाएंगे, दिस इज कॉल्ड 10, 11, 12 and 13. This is how we just write it. Now second, write the corresponding Hindu Arabic numerals. So ये कितना given है हमें? Yes, it's a 4 and this is 10, 20 and 25. I hope you understood. So these are the beta other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now move on. Next topic. This is conversion of Hindu Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. So here it is given Hindu Arabic numerals like 24. So Roman numerals में हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 20 plus 5 minus 1 and Hindu Arabic numerals that means XX means 20 plus V minus 1. So 5 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे, so 4 then it becomes 24. And Roman numerals में हम कैसे लिखेंगे? XXIV मतलब कि 10, 10, 20 and this is 4, 24. Similarly, how to write it 40? Just read and practice well. This is 79. Write it like that. 89, 90 and 99. Hope you understood well beta. So now move on. Next one. This is texting time 1.2. Here it is given. Write the Roman numerals for the following Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. So 16. So 16 कैसे लिखेंगे हम? Yes, we just write it 16 like X 10 and VI 6. This is made 16. After that 49 कैसे लिखेंगे हम? Yes, XL means this is 40 and for 9 we are just writing 1X 49. Now next, write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. So here it is given XXVII. That means XS क्या होता है हमारा? 20 and this is 7. So it makes number, yes, 27. So write it 27 over here. Then second क्या है हमारा? XXI. That means 10, 20 and 21. So write it 21 like that. Hope you understood well beta. So these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now next, additions and subtractions of Roman numerals. So let's start with that one. 1. Change the numbers into Hindu Arabic numbers. Second, add or subtract accordingly. Now third is convert the answers into Roman numerals beta. So now next, examples. Subtract XLVII from XLI. That means ये हमारा कितना बना? 47. 47 में हमें माइनस करना पड़ेगा 41. So clearly we just get it 6 over here. So how to write it 6? So this is our 6 beta. Now example, subtract XLIV. That means from किससे subtract करना है? XXXIV. So XXXIV कितना होता है हमारा? Yes, it's a 34 और ये हमारा कितना है 46. So after subtracting all the numbers we just get it 12. So write it 12 like that one beta. Okay, XII. Now texting time 1.3. Write the answers in Roman numerals. So first one is given 10, 10, this is 20 and 21. So 21 में से माइनस करना है हमने. So we are just doing one XXI, that means ये हमारा है 21. Then add it. Add किस में करेंगे हम? IV. IV हमारा क्या है 4. So 21 plus 4 कितने हो गए हमारे 25. So how to write it 25 in Roman numerals? X, X and V. That is called 25. So answer कितना बन गया हमारा X, X and V. Okay, I hope you understood. Now second questions. Filling the blanks in Roman numerals number system there is a no symbols for. Roman number system में किसका symbols नहीं होता? Yes, zero का कोई भी symbol नहीं होता है. Okay, so these are the other questions beta. You have to complete it your own. Okay, so now move on next. Things to remember. So first one is there is another systems of numerations called Roman system of numerations, and there are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman numeral. Third one is repetitions of Roman numerals means additions. जब हम repeat करते हैं Roman numerals को means हमें क्या करना है additions. There is a no symbol for zero in the Roman system. Roman system में zero के लिए कुछ भी symbols नहीं है. We have to use many symbols even to write small number. So the Romans used only 7 symbols. Their symbols are not sufficient with the large numbers beta. I hope you understood whole points very nicely. So now this is a multiple choice questions beta. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now next. Activity. Note down the birthday of your 5 friends and show them in Roman numbers. So this is the activity beta. You have to complete it your own. Okay. आप अपने friends के birthday आप किस में लिखेंगे? Roman numbers में लिखेंगे. Now just see the texting time 1.4. So here it is given question number 1. Write the Roman numerals for the following. So here it is given 2. So how to write it 2? Yes, this is 1 and 2. 2 beta. After that क्या है 5. So 5 कैसे लिखते हैं हम? It's a very easy. We just write it 5 like that way. I hope you understood. Now second question. Write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following. So ये कितना लिखा है हमारा IX. That means it's a 9. So just write it 9 and after that X means 10 and VI मतलब 6. So 10 plus 6 makes number 16. So these are the other questions beta. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood whole point very nicely. So just do one thing, practice it and do rest of these exercises by your own.